YouTube videos are a great way for business owners to create one piece of content that can be shared across many platforms. As a freelance social media manager, you know that content is king. So this is a great service for you to offer for your clients. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can sell this concept to your clients. Hey, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. Hi, I'm Kirsten Graham with Six Figure Business Coaching, and I'm really excited about this video because I love teaching people like you how to add value to your clients. When you help your clients create a video, the first place you'll put it is obviously YouTube. And I feel like every business should have a YouTube channel, even local businesses. One, it sets them apart from their competition. It gives them the opportunity to educate their prospects, showcase who they are and what they do, and to build relationship. Video marketing really does build relationships with people who have not met you yet, and that's amazing. The second thing you can do with that video is use it in email marketing. Now, if you've watched any of our other videos, you know that Jeannie and I think email marketing is the thing that you absolutely have to do. In fact, if you're not doing email marketing, we just think you're crazy. So when you're working with your client, explain to them the ROI on email marketing. Explain to them after they create this video, you're going to be able to send that video out to everyone on their email list. Now, one of the challenges for most business owners is that they don't know what to send out in their email marketing, and they often don't have original content. So again, this one video can be sent out to everyone on their list. So think about what would happen if your client was doing one video a month, or two a month, or a video every week. Can you imagine the relationships that they're going to build with the people on their email list? It's just amazing, absolutely amazing. And if that isn't enough, they can then share this content on their Facebook page. And there are lots of ways to do that. First of all, you can talk about the video that was just put on YouTube, kind of share a link to it and drive traffic back to YouTube. You can also just embed the video onto Facebook, or you could break it down in little clips and share it over time. But again, it gives you great original content for Facebook. Now moving on to Twitter. When we do our video, we promote each of our videos every week for 6 weeks on Twitter. So think about that. If we've created 6 videos, there are times when each week we're promoting 6 different videos. If we've created 2 videos a week, there's times that we're promoting 12 videos on Twitter every week. So again, a great way to promote some original content and help drive people back to your website, help them get to know your brand, and basically build authority by having your YouTube videos shared in multiple places. Some of your clients may or may not be on Twitter, but when you talk to them about how this could be a possibility for them, they may decide to take the leap and have you set up a Twitter account for them. Again, original content as well as some other creative marketing, and you can really help your client build their brand. Now let's talk about Instagram, or Insta as Jeannie likes to call it. So Instagram is very visual and it makes it a perfect place for video. One of the challenges is when you shoot a video for YouTube, you're shooting it in landscape. And ideally, videos for Instagram are shot in portrait mode. So again, camera this way for YouTube and this way for Instagram. But you can still pull clips from your YouTube video. They're just a little bit smaller than what they should be. Or you can work with your client, and after you help them record the video, you can say, hey, let's turn the camera and let's do a couple little tiny clips, couple teaser tips talking about the full video that you can use on Instagram, again, to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel so they'll watch your video and start to get to know you and what you can do for them. And last but not least, you can also share your video on your website. Again, websites should not be static brochures. Websites are something you should continuously add content to. Google wants to see fresh new content. By putting a video up once a week, twice a month, once a month, you're adding original content. You're also going to use the transcription, which means you're going to have all those fantastic keywords in there. When someone goes to your website and they see that you have all these amazing videos talking about what you do and how you do it, and they get to see your team and learn all about your business, they're more likely to reach out to you and want to use you. When you explain that to your clients, again, it makes them think about, wow, video marketing is something I should really do, and I can't believe I can repurpose this one video into so many places. The reality is it makes you look like you're everywhere. And when you look at people that are doing a lot of internet marketing, they will tell you repurposing content is the way to go. And in this day and age, repurposing video content is a must. So at this point, I'd love to hear in the comments below, are you thinking about offering video marketing as a service for your client? Or perhaps are you thinking about doing some video marketing for your business? Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is SEO, search engine optimization. Google is the #1 search engine, YouTube is #2, and Google owns YouTube. So think about that. When you're creating a YouTube video, it's ideal to use keywords in your title. And there's some great ways that you can do this for yourself or for your client. You can use awesome tools like Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy to make sure that you're picking titles and tags that are searchable. So YouTube videos will often pop up even in a Google search. When people go in and search for something, we often see that YouTube videos are offered. So your client has a better chance of being found if they're doing video marketing using keywords and tags for SEO. And remember, we talked about adding the video to your website in the transcription. That's going to have a lot of keywords in it, and that's going to help Google find you and find your website. This is something that you can explain to your clients because they're always interested in SEO. Everyone hears about SEO and they're not really sure how to make that happen. So you can actually use the transcription and just take out the words like subscribe to our channel or like the video and things like that to make it read better. Or you could actually rework it a little bit, make it into a proper blog post, or you could do something like run it through Yoast to see how you're doing on keywords. Yoast is a plugin that actually gives you a score to let you know how many keywords you have in your blog post and how well it scores. It gives you the opportunity to go back and rewrite things a little bit to enrich the keywords, again, giving Google the opportunity to find you. Most business owners are interested in SEO. They really don't understand how it works, and they don't know what they can do to help Google and YouTube find them. This is something you can educate your clients on so that they'll understand the value that you bring with video marketing and how it is going to help them. It's going to help them with the 2 largest search engines out there, Google and YouTube. This is not a hard sell. So again, if you're a freelancer, social media manager, and you're looking for an amazing service that can really impact your client and help them grow their business while helping you grow your business, spend some more time doing research and think about how could you offer YouTube marketing to your clients? How would you price it? How would you present it? I hope this video has given you some good ideas on how you could do that. And again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do ring the bell to get notified each week when we post a new video, and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. I've also, in the description below, I'm going to put a list down there of other services that you can offer that are very profitable for you and very beneficial to your clients. I'll see you in the next video.